Good day and welcome back again sa aking channel. Ito po ang inyong math teacher, Sir Alan. So, ang didiscuss po natin ngayon ay ang angle of depression. Okay, define po muna natin what is an angle of depression. So, the angle of depression is the acute angle formed by the horizontal line, eye level, and the line of sight of the observer when looking at an object that is located lower than the observer. So, para mas higit po nating maintindihan, so kung meron po tayong object na nandito, so yung observer po natin is nasa taas. Okay po. So, si observer, tinignan po niya yung object na nasa ibaba. So, nabuo daw po yung angle of depression by the horizontal line. So, ito po yung horizontal line, the eye level po ng observer. And ito po yung line of sight. Ano po? Line of sight. So, ito pong angle na nabuo po nila, yan, ito po. Yan po yung tinatawag nating angle of depression. Okay, try po nating i-identify yung line of sight, horizontal line, and the angle of depression sa figure po na ito. So dito makikita natin yung observer ay nasa tuktok ng building, meron siyang tinignang object doon po sa baba. So yun po yung ating line of sight, segment OT. And the horizontal line of sight, no, yung eye level po ng ating pong observer is segment OD. And the angle of depression, of course, ito po. So we are using 3 letters for the angle. We have angle DOT is the angle of depression. Okay, let's have example number 1. An airplane is flying at a height of 4 kilometers above the ground. The distance along the ground from the airplane to the airport is 6 kilometers. What is the angle of depression from the airplane to the airport? So gaya po ng sinabi ko, ay ito-drawing po natin o yung ating pong given problem para mas higit po natin siyang maintindihan. So yung airplane, ano po, ay ang height po niya from the ground is 4 kilometers. Tapos yung distance naman niya doon naman sa airport, ayan, si 6 kilometer. So ang tinatanong po sa atin is yung angle of depression. So ito po yung ating pong line of sight, no? At ito po yung mabubuo nating angle of depression. So ayan po. So ito po yung angle of depression which is yung pinapahanap po sa atin. Now, paano po natin yan sasagutan? Since makikita po ninyo na nandito po yung ating pong right triangle. Ito po. So nandito po yung right triangle. So para mahanap po natin yan, para masolve po natin itong theta na to, i-apply po natin yung concept po ng parallel lines cut by a transversal. Okay po, so itong angle theta po na to is equal din po dito sa angle na nandito. So yan, so alternate interior angles are congruent. So yun po yung concept po niya sa parallel lines cut by a transversal. So kapag na-solve po natin yung angle na to, ay yun din po yung angle nung depression na hinahanap po natin. Okay, so kunin po muna natin yung mga details ng ating pong figure. So we have 4 kilometer. Siya po yung ating opposite side. Then yung 6 kilometer, siya po yung ating adjacent side. And of course, yung nawawala po is yung angle theta. Okay, so identify po natin ano kayang trigo ratio ang gagamitin po natin. So pipili lang po tayo sa SOHCAHTOA, TOA. Ano po? So dahil opposite and adjacent po yung involved po sa ating pong given problem, so ang gagamitin po natin is tangent. So tangent theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. So pwede na po natin isolve. So using our trigonometric ratio, tangent theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. So we have to substitute lang po natin yung mga given natin. So tangent theta is equal to, yung opposite po natin is 4 km divided by the adjacent side which is 6 km. So maka-cancel po natin yung unit. So we have now tangent theta is equal to 4 over 6. So divide lang po natin using our calculator. So nakadepende po sa instruction na ibinibigay po ng teacher kung ano po, ilang digit po yung gagamitin po ninyo. This time gamitin po natin yung 2 decimal digit. Ano po? So we have 4 divided by 6 is equal to 0.67. Okay po. Pag round off po ng 2 decimal digit, i-check nyo po yung pangatlong number. Kapag 5 pataas, yung pangatlong number, mag-a-add na po tayo ng isa doon po sa second digit natin. So sa calculator nyo po, ang lalabas po ay 0.6666667. So yung pangatlong number ay 6. So therefore mag-a-add na po tayo ng 1 doon po sa second digit. Kaya po siya naging 0.67. Then using your calculator, click nyo po yung shift. Sa ibang calculator po nakasulat ay second function or second F or 2F ang nakasulat po. Then tangent and then 0.67. So again, 2 decimal digit po ang kukunin po natin. So, ang sagot po natin is 33.82 degrees. Kasi ang pangatlong number po niyan is 33.822 yung pangatlong number. So, therefore, hindi naman siya 5 pataas, kaya hindi magbabago yung second digit natin. So, the final answer is 33.82. So, yun po yung angle of depression ng airplane at saka ng airport. Let's have example number 2. From the top of a fire tower, a forest ranger sees his partner on the ground at an angle of depression of 40 degrees. If the tower is 45 feet in height, how far is his partner from the base of the tower? So again, i-illustrate po ulit natin yung ating pong given problem. So meron daw pong fire tower na ang height po ay 45 feet. So nakita daw po nung forest ranger na nandito po sa fire tower yung kanyang partner, no? At nakabuo po sila ng angle of depression na 40 degrees angle. Ngayon, ang tinatanong ay yung distance ng kanyang partner doon po sa base ng tower. So, let us represent that as x. So, again, apply po ulit natin dito yung parallel lines cut by a transversal. So, kung 40 degrees to, so yung angle na mabubuo po dito is also 40 degrees angle. Now, pwede na po natin isolve. So, tingnan po natin muna yung mga details. So, ang details natin, we have 45 feet. So, based dun po sa ating illustration, yung 45 feet is our opposite side. While, yung x is our adjacent side. And of course, yung given theta po natin is 40 degrees. So, again, dahil involved po ang opposite at saka adjacent, so ibig sabihin, ang gagamitin pa po natin formula ay ang tangent theta. So, because tangent theta involves opposite and adjacent. So, pwede na po natin isolve. So, applying tangent theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. Substitute lang po natin yung mga given natin. Yung theta po natin is 40 degrees. So, we have tangent 40 degrees is equal to, ang opposite po natin ay 45 feet. Then, divided by x. So, to solve, maglagay lang po tayo ng over 1 doon po sa tangent 40. Then, apply cross multiplication. So, we have x tangent 40 degrees is equal to 1 times 45. That is 45 feet. Since x po, yung hinahanap po natin, ano po, so, i-divide po natin both sides by tangent 40 degrees. Okay, so maka-cancel po natin itong part na to. So, ang matitira na lang ay yung x. So, ang given po natin, pag dinivide po natin yan, 45 feet divided by tangent 40 is equal to 53.64. Again, 2 decimal digit po ang kukunin po natin. So, ayun po yung distance nung partner nung isang forest ranger no po doon sa base ng tower. Thank you for watching!